Hello guys, you are most welcome to OJPRD. This is a wonderful YouTube channel for you for basic information related about the technologies and another categories. So today in this video I am going to show you that the latest information about the blogger which is I have got from the Google side that they are providing me a Adsense to link my blogger site and it's very easy, but one thing I have to face some issue that it would take more than 2 years for approval of this website for this blogger page. And here I have just not purchased our domain also, and still they are just providing me a service to just connect the AdSense account with my this proper blogger page. So hope it's a very interesting for this if you are looking that you have to connect your AdSense with your earning page of blogger. So it's easy, but for that you have to kept your page up to 2 to 3 years in your server in your blogger. And further they will just themselves provide you the this process of connecting the Google AdSense account, and finally you will see that your blogger will monetize easily. So hope it's a very interesting video which you have seen in this video. So hope for the next video you will be subscribed to our channel, and we will continue with another video. So thanks for watching us. Have a good day. Thank you everyone.